Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log in Dropbox website step by step. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, and then in the search bar you can simply type in Dropbox and then hit go or enter on your keyboard. Tap on the first link that appears, and then at the top you can either hit sign up or log in. For now we're going to be hitting sign up to create an account. You can continue with Google, Apple or Microsoft. For now we're going to be entering our email. I've enabled autofill on my device, which automatically fills in the email for me, and then you can hit continue. After that, you must enter your first name, your last name, log in with your password, and then hit agree and sign up to sign up for your account. After you've signed up, you can head back over to the Dropbox homepage and then hit login at the top right of your screen. Here too, you can either hit continue with Google, Apple, or continue with Microsoft, but since we have signed up with our email, you must enter your email over here. If you've enabled autofill again, the email will automatically be filled for you after you tap on it, and then hit continue, and then you can log into your account by entering your password. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.